These glasses are absolutely going to blow your mind. They're from Pair Eyewear and the top frames on them are completely interchangeable. As you can see, they are super magnetic and even stack on top of each other. They make prescription and blue light glasses, both which start at only $60. Then you can customize with any frames you want for only $25 each. Quickly and easily switch up your frame with sunglasses or to match your outfit. Use our code for 15% off.
So if you ever wondered why I'm always sharing these sponges, here's why I love them. When you put them in cold water, they become super firm, which is great for scrubbing difficult areas. And when you put them in warm water, they become super soft like a regular sponge. The smile on the sponge is designed for cleaning both sides of your utensils, and the eyes allow you to really grip the sponge, making it much easier to scrub or get into tight areas. Plus, you can throw them right in your dishwasher to sanitize them.
Here are a few Father's Day gift ideas. These gloves have lights on the fingertips to make home projects easier to see. This razor heats to 122 degrees and provides a smooth heated shave. This screwdriver changes bits automatically with a simple pull and push. This dry razor will allow Dad to shave his back, and this one will allow him to shave his legs. This gadget will both heat and chill drinks and has a built-in wireless charger. This robot gets dropped onto the barbecue, will thoroughly clean Dad's grill. And this CampStove will not only grill food but can also use fire to charge up devices.
That has a flat drain, and you need these silicone hair catchers. They're anti-slip and they're super easy to use. You just throw it right on top of your drain and it catches all that hair that typically ends up in a clog when it goes down your drain. The link to my bio under Amazon page. Secret for keeping a very clean shower with minimal work? Once a week after I'm done showering, I spray down my entire shower with no scrub cleaner I found on Amazon. I let it sit overnight, no more than 24 hours. Then before I hop in the shower the next day, I rinse down all of the surfaces. If you start using this product on an already clean shower, it's going to keep it clean, but even if you use it on a dirty shower, it will get clean after just a few uses.